What if I told you there's a natural compound in your body that can reverse visible signs of aging and help you feel younger from the inside out? I met a client recently who looked and felt 10 years older than she really was. She'd tried collagen powders, expensive facials, and energy boosters. Nothing worked. Until we introduced one key ingredient, copper peptides. Within weeks, her skin tightened, her joints felt better, and her energy skyrocketed. The real anti-aging breakthrough is copper peptides, small protein fragments bound to copper that activate stem cells, increase collagen production and elastin production, and regenerate tissue. They don't just work on the skin, they also support your immune system, brain, and energy. You might think aging is inevitable, but it's not. When you feed your body the signals it needs, like peptides, it knows exactly how to repair, rebuild, and restore youth at the cellular level. The skincare industry wants you buying products forever. But copper peptides stimulate your own body's healing. No more relying on external fixes. You become the solution. If you want to feel younger, look better, and restore your body from within, book your free 30-minute consultation now. Link in the bio or description. We'll show you how to activate your body's natural renewal system.